back to FlexCandle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. I'm Flex, and today we're diving into a full top-down analysis on Bitcoin. We're going to start from the higher time frames, work our way down to the lower time frames, and check to see if we find any good setup. Now remember, this is not financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. Guys, before we get started, if you're looking for a new crypto exchange that's user-friendly, has no VPN, no KYC, and has super low fees, check out BitUnix in the description below. We're going to help out the FlexCandle community, support the community by clicking on the description link below. All right, guys, let's get started. Right now it's currently 5:10 p.m. Eastern time. The price of Bitcoin is at $118,304, and we have about 2 hours and 50 minutes before this weekly and daily candle closes. So far for the weekly, is looking like we're having a green candle, which is bullish. The 21 moving average is at 102,248. Again, ever since this topping tail, we've been kind of gradually coming down. The stochastics are toppy. We have bearish divergence on the stochastic RSI here. So right now it looks like we have more downside to go. Best case scenario is pretty much what I have drawn here on the weekly, which is this new kind of like falling wedge, and this would break us out to about 134, 135. I could see a scenario like this happening when we just continue dragging slightly down until the 21 moving average could catch up to price, and then from there we could blast up. Heading over now to the daily chart, we see that we are above the 21 moving average. So if we close like this right now, this is going to be bullish. Stochastics still have room to come up, but we don't have that much more room up. So I don't expect us to break any highs. I don't think we're going to break above this topping tail just yet. This is starting to look to me like this could be a possible inverted head and shoulder, left shoulder, head, and possibly we're going to come up a little bit, probably equal to like these candles here, which is like the 121 that I've been talking about from the cup and handle on the 4 hour. And then, you know, we're gonna zigzag here a little bit and make the right shoulder, and then from there blast up. This looks probable, but right now we're just above the 21 moving average. Let's see how that closes today. Now we take a look at the 8-hour chart. We see that we are toppy, but we're curving back up, so we could probably make one more hump, but at least we are above the 21 moving average here. On the 4-hour chart, we see that the stochastics never came fully down, and now they never went fully up. It looks like we're curving down a little bit. Now this is where I have the new pattern of the cup and handle play that takes us to about 121. Again, this to me is a winning trade already. We broke out of the cup and handle. We made it all the way up to 119,000. Of course, we're about $2,000 short, but we made most of the measured moves, so that counts as a winning trade. And if you guys have been following the episodes, before I created this cup and handle, I had a double bottom pattern that would take us to about 118,500, which we now did make that full measured move. I also had this in a flag that would take us a little around that area, which was inside this flag, and we just made that move as well. So regardless, those past two moves, we fully made the measure move now, and now we're just waiting for this cup and handle to make the rest of the move up. Now on the 1-hour chart, stochastics are starting to reset. We still have some room to continue going down. We're trying to stay above this 21 moving average, which is at 118,253. We really don't want to lose that right now. And we head over to the 15-minute chart. Stochastics look like they're on the way up. We're struggling to keep above the 21 moving average, but right now it kind of looks like we're flagging out. So right now the pattern that I'm kind of seeing here, it's almost like maybe you could say that this is some type of a ascending triangle towards the way up. These usually are bullish, and the measured move to this would be about 120,952, which would be the rest of the move that we need to pretty much finish off this cup and handle move on the 4 hour. Overall, guys, I still see us possibly going to about 120, 121, and then I do see us getting some resistance there. I'm still in the range of 110 and 120, you know, give or take. We might go up a little bit higher, a little bit lower. I just don't feel like we have enough strength yet, especially since the weekly stochastics are low, for us to get our high, for us to get above this topping tail wick at the moment. But I do see us going at least to 121, and then we will have to reassess from there. All right, guys, so that's the breakdown. If this gave you clarity or a setup to watch, do me a favor, like, drop a comment, subscribe, and if you have a stock or crypto you want me to go over, drop it in the comment section. This is FlexCandle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. Catch you on the next chart.